If you need to take out a personal loan, shopping around for the lowest rate could save you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. In this video, we'll break down 5 lenders in Canada that are currently flying under the radar, but are offering some of the most competitive rates out there. But keep in mind that not everyone will qualify for the lowest advertised rates. Your financial position would need to be in a strong place, meaning excellent credit, stable employment income, and monthly debt payments that are well under 40% of your monthly income. But whether your finances are shining or falling a bit short, here are the 5 options worth checking out today, plus one bonus tip at the end to make sure you are truly getting the best deal out there. Let's dive in. At number 5, LoanConnect. LoanConnect isn't a lender, but a loan search platform that lets you apply once, see offers from multiple lenders, and choose the best offer. Their rates start at 8.99%, which is competitive. You can borrow between $500,000 and $60,000 with terms between 3 and 120 months. It's free to use, takes just a few minutes, and helps you avoid wasting time filling out multiple applications. The downside is that you're limited to the 30+ lenders in LoanConnect's network, so you could miss out on better offers from lenders that they don't work with. If you'd like access to a larger network, check out number 4, Loans Canada. Loans Canada has a similar setup. It's a loan search platform that matches you with multiple lenders based on one application. Its starting rate is 9.99%, and it has a network of over 60 lenders across the country, so the odds of finding a competitive offer are solid. You can borrow as low as $250 and as high as $50,000 and repay over 3 to 60 months. Loans Canada serves all types of borrowers, even those with fair or bad credit. But if your finances are strong, you could get better rates by applying to a bank or credit union, which brings us to number 3, Kindred Credit Union. If you're in Ontario and your finances are in great shape, Kindred consistently posts some of the lowest personal loan rates in Canada, currently starting at prime plus 1%. You can choose between a fixed and variable rate. A fixed rate stays the same throughout the life of the loan, while a variable rate changes with the Bank of Canada rate. If the Bank of Canada lowers its rate, your rate goes down and you pay less interest. If the bank raises its rate, your rate also goes up and you pay more interest. Kindred's drawback is its strict eligibility. If your finances are not strong, you may not qualify, so be sure to check out the other providers I've mentioned in this video. Traveling to the other side of Canada, we have number 2, Vancity Credit Union. If you live in BC, check out Vancity. It offers personal loans starting at prime plus 1%, and you can choose between a fixed and variable rate. You'll need to be in a healthy financial position to qualify, but if you're not, Vancity also offers a unique hidden gem product called the Vancity Fair and Fast Loan. You can borrow between $100 and $2,500 and pay it back over 1 to 2 years. The application is completely online, there's no credit check required, and you can get approval in as little as 10 minutes. The rate for this loan is 19%, which might seem like a lot, but if you compare it to similar loans within the market, it's actually a very competitive offer. Finally, available across Canada, we have Innovation Federal Credit Union. Innovation's personal loans start at prime plus 1.5%. Its maximum rate is prime plus 15%. So if your financial situation isn't the greatest, you could still qualify for a loan with Innovation, though expect the rate to be on the higher end. You can apply online in less than 10 minutes and get approved in just 1 business day, which is helpful if you have expenses that need to be paid ASAP. To make sure you're getting the best offer, compare the APRs, the annual percentage rates. The APR includes the interest rate plus mandatory lender fees, giving you the total yearly cost of borrowing. For example, suppose you're looking for a $5,000 loan to be repaid over 2 years. Lender A offers 8% interest plus a $250 setup fee, while Lender B offers 11% interest with no required fees. Lender A's offer works out to an APR of about 13%. So even if the interest rate is lower, Lender A is actually more expensive than Lender B, whose APR is the same as the interest rate. 11%. So when you're comparing loans, be sure to review the APRs so you're making an apples to apples comparison. So there you have it, 5 winning options for low interest loans in Canada. If you found this helpful, give this a thumbs up, subscribe for more personal loan tips, and let me know in the comments if you scored a low interest from a lender that I didn't mention. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.